What's up everybody? Today we're talking about ready-to-use all-purpose cleaner. You can use this virtually everywhere. Let's show you all the places you can use it. So before we get spraying, let's talk a little bit more about the ready-to-use nature of all-purpose cleaner. This formulation in its full strength has been available to our pros for 20 plus years and is a solid go-to product for all your deep cleaning, hard to clean needs all around your vehicle, whether it's wheels, side skirts, engine degreasing, all that. Typically with that concentrated formulation, we're making recommendations of anywhere to 5-to-1 to 12-to-1 depending on how strong of a cleaner you need. For this product, we landed around 8-to-1. So if you're familiar with our original strength all-purpose cleaner, this is essentially an 8-to-1 pre-diluted, ready-to-use product. It's great for all-purpose, general purpose degreasing. Again, for some of the very sensitive things, you want to be careful and test in an inconspicuous area. And for some of your super difficult, deep engine degreasing, you're still going to want to concentrate, but this is a good multi-purpose tool for cleaning your car. So today we got a car that's been out in the rain. We've got a lot of rain recently, so we have lots of organic material stuck to the side of this vehicle we need to do a deep clean on. Again, remembering all-purpose cleaner is a high pH solution, so we're talking 9, 10, 11, 12 plus pH. Again, those types of cleaners are great for organic materials that we're going to break down. Great for this time of year when you have lots of bug guts, bird poop, fresh road grime, things like that in your car, as opposed to acidic, which is better for winter, the inorganics, things like that. So we're going to go around this bottom kind of side skirt where we have all this deep buildup dirt and road grime. Also going to attack this wheel back here. Again, you don't need to do this every time you do a car, but every time you wash your car, but when you want to do a deep clean, this is a great start for a prep. So just like any pre-wash or acidic or high pH snow foam, we're going to let that dwell for a couple minutes, just start breaking down that real aggressive dirt, and then we'll go over it, we'll blast it, again, least friction possible to get that excess dirt off before you go into a wash. Again, there's other products that are made specifically for cleaning wheels, but our all-purpose cleaner has the horsepower, the bite, and the surfactants to do a good job on this area as well. It's not just good for the exterior of the car. Other good areas for all-purpose cleaner ready to use include dirty floor mats. More common areas in the interior that you can use ready-to-use all-purpose cleaner include gas and brake pedals. Again, keep them from getting slippery, muddy, things like that. Great for cleaning that. Again, this is safe for most surfaces. Test them always. However, plastics, vinyl dashes, things like that, they get dirty. Great use for ready-to-use all-purpose cleaner. Dirty shift knobs if you have greasy, ketchup-y hands when you shouldn't be doing that when you're driving. Really sticky or nasty cup holders that get coffee spills or soda spills in there, great for that. E-brake knobs, again, seat belts, anything really in the inside. It's a great area for all-purpose cleaning. As I mentioned before, heavy-duty engine degreasing probably requires the concentrate of all-purpose cleaner. However, for light-duty cleaning in your engine bay, ready to use is going to work just fine. If you want to see the full video of how to detail your engine bay, check out where Brett's going to put that somewhere here. Grab a bottle of ready-to-use all-purpose cleaner. This thing really is like a Swiss Army knife of cleaners. You can use it all over the vehicle, not just on the exterior, on the hard surfaces on the interior, light degreasing, any organics on the outside. Great all-purpose cleaner, ready to use. Get it on the website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.